Do you keep delaying things, saying I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes, right? Procrastination is killing your success, and today, I'll show you how to break free and take action now. Imagine two students. One studies a little every day. The other crams everything at the last moment. Who do you think gets better results? Success isn't about working hard once, it's about showing up daily. 1. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. No excuses. Small actions kill procrastination. 2. The 5-second rule. When you feel lazy, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and start moving. This stops your brain from making excuses. 3. The Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat. This keeps your brain fresh and productive. 4. Make it easy to start. Struggling to go to the gym? Just wear your workout clothes. Want to read? Keep a book next to your bed. The easier you make it, the more likely you'll do it. 5. Set deadlines, even fake ones. Our brain works better with urgency. Set a timer and challenge yourself. Can I complete this in 10 minutes? You'll be surprised. Procrastination is stealing your dreams. But with these simple tricks, you can take control today. Comment "No more procrastination" below if you're ready to take action.